Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Genius 3.0. Please do like, share and subscribe. Update about Covaxin. Indians to get free shots of coronavirus vaccine in 73 days. India has produced almost 3 different types of vaccines called ICMR Bharat Biotech Covaxin and Zydus Cadilus Cy-Cov-D. Both the vaccine candidates are in human clinical trials in phase 1 and phase 2 simultaneously. And another Oxford vaccine called Covishield, which is the first COVID-19 shot given to Indians. The Oxford University AstraZeneca vaccine candidate will be commercialized in 73 days. Indians will be immunized free under the National Immunization Program. It is in phase 3 trial. This is handled by Serum Institute of India. Phase 3 trials began on August 22 at 20 centers in India. Predominantly in Pune and Mumbai, the vaccine will be administered to 1,600 people. The government also sought 68 crore doses for 130 crore Indian citizens. Another one, Russia's Sputnik V vaccine has been in the eye of storm ever since it has received regulatory approvals. The accelerated timeline of the development of Russian vaccine and absence of conclusive trials and safety data has raised question about its safety and efficacy. After becoming the first country in the world to launch a vaccine for novel coronavirus, dubbed as Sputnik V, Russia has reported the success of its second COVID-19 vaccine in preliminary trials. It is named as EpiVac Corona. It didn't induce any side effects. It also induces an effective immune response after dosing the volunteers twice at interval of 14 to 21 days. It is still in progress. There are at least 100 potential vaccines being developed across the world for COVID-19. But there are lots of different technologies being used, which is great because that means we have more chances of a vaccine being able to control the virus if one or more of those work. In the end, many of them are using the same approach of trying to improve immune responses against the spike protein. Here are some of the countries which have recently approved human trials of vaccine candidates that you have probably not heard much about. Cuba. Vaccine Institute got the approval to start human trials of a vaccine called Soberana 01. This is tested on more than 600 people and results expected by February next year. It is also expected to be one of the countries where the Russian vaccine Sputnik V would be mass produced. Taiwan. Adimmune Corp has become Taiwan's first company to begin human trials of its experimental vaccine. About 60 volunteers are likely to be injected with the vaccine. North Korea. It is also developing a novel coronavirus vaccine which is already in human trials. The way the vaccines works is rather similar to most of the other vaccines in development. What they are trying to do is induce immune responses to spike protein. The spike protein is the protein that decorates the surface of the coronavirus, and the virus uses it in order to enter into the cells in our body to cause infection. They are trying to make neutralizing the antibodies which bind onto spike proteins and stop the virus being able to get into our cells and cause infection. In addition to this, the vaccine also induces a type of white blood cells called T cells, which are able to destroy our cells if they get infected by the virus.